Deciding on the right supplements can be a real headache. That's why we've put together this handy little guide for women over 45 to make picking supplements a breeze. The world of supplements is massive. It's easy to feel a bit lost, which might make you shy away from checking out things that could really help you. Ever feel swamped by all those supplement options? Not sure what's actually good for your health? Think of our guide as your trusty flashlight in the dark. It'll help you cut through the clutter by pointing out quality stuff and understanding what your body really needs. This way, you can zero in on what truly supports your health. When you're picking supplements, what trips you up? Don't fall for the shiny labels and trendy names. Our guide digs into what's really in those bottles so you can make smart and safe decisions. Picture this: a clear path to choosing the right supplements. How would that switch up your health routine? Ready to dive in? Give our approach a shot? It's got a track record of guiding women to supplements that actually do the job. Just scan that QR code or hop over to website URL to get insights on making choices that match your health goals. Think about this. What happens to your health down the line if you're still unsure about which supplements to pick? Let's make your supplement choices simpler and boost your health together.